Question number 25 says support each equation using examples. So for A, we can show that this negative x all squared is equal to x squared. In that if we just apply an exponent property, we can just factor out the negative 1 and square both the negative and the x. We're going to end up with the exact same expression as on the right hand side. So these are always going to be equivalent. And we can substitute some numbers in here. We can actually show this using numbers as well. For B, we want to show that this is not the case. So if we take a look at square root x squared is not equal to plus minus x. Okay. Now the square root is defined first of all as the positive square root. So we could also just justify this by just substituting in some numbers. So for example, if I plug in negative 5 and square that and work that out, I'm going to end up with square root positive 25, and that's going to be equal to 5. And that is not equal to plus minus 5. In fact, it's only equal to the positive version. The same thing if I use an example of positive 5. Positive 5 squared gives me square root 25, and that's going to give me 5 again. And again, that's not going to be equal to the plus minus 5 that we're stating. So in both cases, regardless of whether you use positive or negative, we only get one solution because the square root is always the positive value.